everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an aesthetic blurry background wallpaper with Photoshop. For this example, I will use the wallpaper background dimensions for an iPad, but you can choose any size you want. You need to make sure you choose the transparent background and then click on Create to begin. I am working in the painting board of Photoshop, so I have this toolbar. The first thing you do is to choose a color. I am choosing pink and then I select OK. Now I will use the Paint Bucket tool, and you can find this tool in the toolbar under the Gradient Color section, and you need to select your layer and fill it with the color you want. I chose pink. And then I select a cool shape, and you can choose many shapes. If you have never used shapes before, you might see a rectangle shape in the toolbar, and you can choose a basic shape, but I select for this video the custom shape tool. You can see a heart shape above, and to get this tool you need to do the following thing. You see here 4 folders, and in these folders you can't find the heart shape. You need to do this first. You go to the top menu, you click on Window and then select Shapes. You click here on the hamburger option icon and select Legacy, Shapes and More, and then open the second folder and select Shapes. And there you can find the heart icon. You can also look in this same folder for the hearted shape. Now that you have the hearted shape, or another shape you want, the real work begins now. I choose a new color and I'm going for dark pink and add the heart shape to my artboard. And then I center it. To get the blurry effect, you select Filter and then you choose Blur and then you choose Gaussian Blur, and then most of the time Photoshop will give you this message, but you just need to select Convert to Smart Object. Now you can adjust the pixel slider to create a blur effect you like, and if you choose a higher pixel number, then your heart will get more blurry. And then you have already created a cool blurry hearted effect for this design. I'm going to use more heart, so I will add a second heart. I use the eyedropper tool to pick the same background color for the second heart, and then I select a shapes tool again and create a heart. I center it and I select Filter, and then I choose again Blur and I choose again Gaussian Blur, and then I select Convert to a Smart Object. I want to add 2 more hearts, so I will be repeating the same steps over and over again. And as you can see, it starts to look like a cool blurry aesthetic background effect you often see on Pinterest. Okay, finally I add the last heart and I repeat the same steps again. Also, a thing you need to know is that you can always adjust the blur strength later by double clicking on the Gaussian blur layer in the layer section of Photoshop. For saving your background image, you select File, you choose Export, Export As, you choose JPG, and then you choose the quality you want, and then you click on Export, and then you can choose the folder where you want to save your image. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you.